Hi, my name is Robert Jung. I work at the Edelbrock Corporation, and we're going to show you today how and why to check your spring loads. The camshaft that you use will require different spring loads. One to keep the valve train under control, the other, and also to make sure that the camshaft doesn't go flat. Here are three springs that you'll commonly find on your engine. First, we have a single with a dampener. We have a double. And on late model engines, you'll find conical or beehive springs. When you check them, you need to use a retainer with both the single with a dampener and the double. Mainly because the step in the retainer will change the pressure as you put your load on the spring. The beehive spring does not require a retainer to check the load. Okay, one of the critical measurements that you need to do is checking your coil bind. You'll do it either in a vise or on an arbor press. Don't do it in your spring tester. Main reason is because when you compress it to bind, you're increasing the load substantially, can cause wear and damage to your tester, so it's much better to do it in a vise. There's two critical dimensions that you have to check. One is your installed height, and that is when the camshaft is on the base circle and the valve is closed. The other one is the open pressure, and that's when the cam is at maximum lift and the valve is open. These specs are available on the Edelbrock website or check with your valve spring manufacturer. Let's hear from Matt Gamble, one of our design engineers, on how to use the Rimac spring tester.
All right, to use a Rimac spring tester, first verify calibration on your machine is good. Then verify that the stop is out of the way of the ram movement for the stroke you're going to be testing. Set your height mic to your installed height. Set that to 0 when the tables are just touching it. Grab your spring. This one's a beehive with no retainer. Set your indicator to height 1. Take your reading, about 135 pounds at height 1. Check height 2. It'll be 500 lift for this spring. Check your reading on the dial again, and we're at about 285 pounds. And then write those specs down, check them against the website. You can verify that you've got good springs.